discuss on a program to transfer the block of data from source memory to the destination memory. So in order to transfer the data, right, so here we will be considering 8 bytes of the data, and we will transfer the data from external memory location starting from the location that is 8110H and the external memory location starting from 8200H. So now in order to start the execution of program, we have to initialize the address location. So this is the starting point of my address. So that is 0000H. That means initially my address value starts from 0H. So then I need to initialize the counter because I am taking 8 bytes of data. I am initializing it to 8. So 8 is initialized to R0. So R0 is now having the value of 8. Next, my instruction is move R1, 81H. That is, I am moving the source. Here you can see the source and the destination address. So source 81H to R1 and similarly 82H to R2. So by this I am initializing the higher byte memory location to both R1 and R2 location. Similarly, in order to consider the lower byte, I am taking this R3 register which is initialized to 00H. Now I am using a register called DPTR that is the data pointer here, so that using the data pointer we can transfer the data bits. Here you can see the instruction DPH and DPL. So those are data pointer high and data pointer low. So my data, that is R1 which is there, that value will be forwarded to DPH, that is data pointer high. Similarly, R3 value will be copied to DPL. Next, I am moving the data pointer value address to accumulator. A stands for accumulator here. Similarly, after that I have to transfer my R2 value because I need to copy that to the memory location of R2. So I will copy the value, that is the address of R2 to DPH. Then I am moving the accumulator value which is stored to DPTR. That is, I am moving to the address of data pointer. Similarly, I am incrementing the R3 value so that I can move on to the next memory addresses. After that, once my data is transferred, I need to decrement so that I can move to the next instructions. So I am using DJNZ, that is decrement jump if not equal to 0. So that this instruction decrements my counter value. Counter is R0, so it is decrementing the value of R0. So from 8 it goes to 76543, so on. And then I have given the label here back, so it will go to the back here, and finally this instructions will be executed around 7 times. So after execution of this, so once this R0 count becomes 0, so it goes out, and I am using a short jump instruction, so it jumps out of the loop and finally the program will be ended. Now let us see the output of this program. Start. Now in order to execute this program, we need to go to debug, and there we have to select the start and stop debug. And here you can see this address which will be located here. So here what we have to do is we have to select the memory address. So first here you have to type X:8100H, that is my source address. So I have taken here, so you will get lot of memory address like this. And here what we have to do is we have to select each block, and then for every block you have to change the data here, as you can see. So now you can see I have given 8 different values here, and then I will go here again and I am going to run the value. So let us see how my program executes, and here in this memory location I have selected 2000H, so it will be copied to this memory location. As you can see, initially it was 0, and now you can see this value which was there, which will be copied to 1020, I think you can see, to the memory location 82H. So this is what the program which is used in order to exchange or transfer the value from the memory location, source memory, to the destination memory location. I hope you understood. Thank you.